What's going on, y'all? We got another classic dish that's full of flavor, one pot. We're doing red beans and rice. Let's get to it, JB Southern Hands.
Got our fresh veggies, dicing this garlic up nice and fine. All right, for our bell peppers and onions, gonna use half of each. Just gonna cut these into nice small squares. We don't want those big chunks and we want to cook evenly. But really hearty dish, a lot of flavor, simple to make. A little TV magic. So I'm taking the risk. I'm trying a new type of sausage. This is a brisket sausage. We're gonna see how it turns out. So I'm using a Dutch oven. Got it on medium high heat. We're gonna fry these sausages. You need to hear that sizzle. Should be whispering to you. Make sure you got that sizzle. I took a bite of the sausage and they taste like regular sausage. Nothing special. I wouldn't waste them extra money. So kept the grease from our sausage that we cooked. Gonna add half a tablespoon of butter. We're gonna throw in our fresh minced garlic. It's just gonna brown this a little bit. Now we're gonna throw in our other vegetables. I'm just gonna heat this with a little bit of salt and pepper. And right when those onions start to change color, we're gonna add in a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. We soften our vegetables. Now we're gonna reintroduce our sausage and come on top of that with a little bit of dark kidney beans. I'm using the cayenne, just make sure you rinse them off. And if you want it spicy, just add a little bit of cayenne pepper right here. Now we're gonna add a little bit of oregano. And some fresh thyme. Now I'm adding 5 cups of beef stock. Make sure you get the low sodium or this dish gonna end up salty. Throw in a couple bay leaves. I'm gonna use about 4. Now let's just drizzle in a little bit of this hot sauce. Now we're cooking this for an hour and a half on medium heat. So this is our finished product. You can see from on the side, we got a nice reduction. That's why I say you don't want that salty broth because it's gonna condense and evaporate most of the moisture out of the dish. Got our cornbread, rice, ready to eat. Like always, thank you guys for watching. Really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications, share a video. Let me know what you think in the comments as well. JB Sutton Hands, y'all. Red beans and rice.